everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Ebony of Thefamilynatural, and I'm going to be showing you how I got a really cute twist out using the Silk and Sassy Curling Mousse from Elegance by Dezign. I'm starting off this style with clean, washed, and conditioned hair. I wanted this to be done on stretched hair, so after I washed my hair, I put it in a few ponytails and allowed it to dry overnight. This allowed it to stretch without me having to add heat to blow dry it. After that, I added my leave-in conditioner, and now I'm just going to part it into sections so that I can begin twisting. Now I'm just sectioning my hair so that I can begin twisting. I like to start in the back and then working my way up to the front. I'm also going to detangle a bit with my wide tooth comb before I add any product. So this is the product that I'm going to be using to style my hair. It's the Silk and Sassy Curling Mousse by Elegance by Dezign. This is a Black-owned, women-owned business and is local here in Oklahoma City. So far, I'm really loving the consistency of this mousse. It's not sticky or tacky like other mousse products that I've tried, but it's also not runny or watery. So I know that it's going to absorb into my hair well, which is going to help me to get a really good defined twist. So as I get to the end of that twist, I'm just going to take my comb and run it through just to make sure that there aren't any tangles or snags so that we can make sure that the end of that twist is nice and smooth. Now I'll just twirl the end of that twist on my finger, and that's going to help it to stay locked in place so that it doesn't unravel. Moving on to the next section, I'm going to add a little bit of water, and this is just going to help that mousse really absorb into my hair. I'm going to work that in with my hands as well as my detangling brush, starting at the ends and then working my way up all the way to the roots of my hair. Here's a pro tip. Whenever you're doing a two-strand twist out, make sure that you part the hair evenly so that you don't have to borrow from sections once you get towards the end of the twist. You also want to smooth the hair downward because this is going to help to eliminate frizz as your hair is drying. And then once you get to the end of the twist, just go ahead and wrap it around your finger, which is going to help lock it into place so that it doesn't become unraveled as it's drying. Okay, so once again, I'm just going to add that mousse and water to my hair and work it through with my hands and my detangling brush. And then I'm going to twist it all the way downward, ensuring that I'm smoothing in the hair so that the hair is nice and defined once we're done. Some of the key ingredients in the Silk and Sassy Curling Mousse include aloe vera, flaxseed, honey, as well as cucumber fruit extract. Honey and aloe vera are great ingredients to use if you're looking for hydration and moisture. They help to draw in moisture and also keep it locked into your hair. If you normally use gels or butters or other heavy creams for your twist outs, go ahead and give this mousse a try. I think it's a great alternative to those heavy products, especially during the summertime. This product is lightweight and it's easy to apply and it absorbs easily. Another great attribute is that it also dries really quickly. It doesn't take all night for a mousse product to dry on your hair, yet you still get that great definition of when you would use a cream or a butter. Okay, so now I'm all done twisting, and you can see how shiny and hydrated my hair looks right now. There is no oil on my hair. This is only water and the mousse. Okay, now that my hair is fully dry, I'm going to take one of my favorite oil blends and just add it to my fingertips and rub that all over my hair so that I can help to combat frizz as I'm taking my twist down. When taking down two-strand twists, trust me when I say less is more. So you just want to take that twist and unravel it in the same way you did to lock it in place, and then just gently allow it to unravel on its own. And as you can see, that mousse did a really great job. Look at this, y'all. So my hair is so soft and it's still really defined. You would think that I used a cream or a butter or a gel. However, I used that mousse and it's looking really, really good. I have some great definition going on and some really great hold. So I'm just going to go ahead and unravel the rest of my twists and show you how I like to take them down. The Silk and Sassy Mousse has my hair feeling so soft and looking hydrated and shiny. Again, I only added oil for the takedown, and that was really just on my fingertips, and it looks so good. Now you can stop right here if you like, if you want a more defined look, but I like to unravel my twist to get big voluminous hair. Okay, so what I like to do is just kind of rub my fingers down the twist in the hair and just allow it to spread and expand on its own. I don't want to take it apart too much at first. That way I can have a little bit more to work with, and I can just kind of fill in the holes and the gaps as I need to. Over the next few days, my hair is going to get bigger, and then I'm going to separate it a little bit more. So now I'm just going to separate it maybe once or twice per twist, and then allow it to just kind of get bigger on its own throughout the week. Now that my hair is separated, I'm just going to take my wide tooth comb as well as my pick. This is going to give me a little bit more height and volume with my hair without disturbing that curl pattern. And I'm going to use my hands as well. Sometimes when you're picking out your hair, your hands are actually your best tools to really fill in any of those gaps and holes that you may see. Okay, and for the final touch, I'm just going to add a little bit of edge control here for my baby hair. And you can skip this part as well if you like, but I do like to have kind of like a nice sleek look on the first day hair. I'm not the best with baby hair, so what I like to do is just kind of brush it in and then take my finger and swoop that to the back. So just finger and swoop it up with a comb and separate it a bit, and you have some cute little swoops, and there you go, boo. So just do it on the other side as well, and you are ready to go. Okay guys, and there you have it. Here is my bomb twist out using the Silk and Sassy Curling Mousse from Elegance by Design. If you're interested in trying this product or any of the Elegance products, just go to elegancebydesign.com. You can also find them on Instagram and Facebook at Elegance by Design. I'm really loving this twist. Look, I am feeling myself, okay? Let me know in the comments down below if you've ever tried a mousse for your twist out, or if you'd be interested in trying one. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.